Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to start Autodesk for basics, I can say, for the ones who are going to start learning Autodesk, AutoCAD. They can use my tutorials to follow through and get to know what the program is all about. So if you want to, if you have the Autodesk AutoCAD installed in your computer. If you want to start it, you just have to go to Start and go to All Programs, go to Autodesk and select your AutoCAD application. Also, if you have a desktop shortcut, so you can directly double click and open the interface. Now, once you open your interface, you're gonna have a start or welcome screen, which looks something like this. Right now, I have the Autodesk AutoCAD 2020 version, which is a student version. So uh, even if you are a student, you can get it for 3 years as a student version, and the features are mostly the same. Even if you don't have a student version or it's a professional version, the features are bit more or less same. So I think the student version is good enough if you want to start learning for now and progress in your AutoCAD course. Also keep in mind the version which I am using is 2020, so the files will be in the form of .dwg 2013 version. So if you have older files, you can also open it in 2020. I've I expect you guys to go to Autodesk website and download the latest version so you can follow along very easily. Just in case if you don't have the same version, there there's not much difference basically. All the functionalities are same, but there is a little bit of different interface action going on in 2020. Also, you can see there is a black interface in 2020, which you can customize and and make it similar to your older version. But for now, the black interface is pretty much good for now.